I'll take door number 3, she said. So after 2 years of rarely seeing a par rate on the rate stack, Chris was super excited as a loan officer to present his really savvy client, John, a par rate. Now, they went through and discussed, okay, this is a par rate, you can pay to buy down the rate to this, there's something in between. And John, being pretty financially astute, he knew that he was probably going to refinance this loan within 2 years with rates projected to go down, and combined that we offer, no-cost refinances to our past clients. And so he went through the process of deciding that. He chose that par rate because he did not want to put any money to buy down a rate that he just wasn't going to keep for very long. Now, a couple days later, Chris got another referral from another top agent in town, Cindy. She seemed really also like super astute, very financially savvy. And so kind of in a hurry, Chris offered just one option. He offered Cindy the par rate. He had already assessed that was the best choice. Cindy seemed really happy. She got her pre-approval, and I mean, in this market, luckily enough, 2 days later, she found a house that she liked. She went under contract, super excited, and that's when things went wrong. Because Cindy checked the internet, and she saw a lower rate. She calls the agent, says, Chris seemed like a great guy, but gosh, his rate was high. I see this lower rate online. The agent says, look, double check, like call that online lender. Make sure there's no, other details that you need to know. So she did, and she found out, yeah, there's a lot of points associated with that low rate, and she felt kind of duped. She felt bait and switched. So her agent encouraged her, look, check with Chris, see if he has that rate as well and what that compares like. So she did. Cindy called. Chris goes over 3 different options, and she says, I want that option, door number 3. You know which one she chose? She chose the middle option. She chose where she was paying a little bit of money to buy the rate down a little bit. And her reason? She said, I know the par rate is the better financial move. But Chris, I just feel better about this one. And that's okay because she made that choice. It was her choice. Now imagine, had she gone through that process during the pre-approval process and she had chosen that strategy from the outset, would she have even gone on the internet to go through that whole process? Probably not. So one of the things we have to remember is our clients are not just doing a business transaction. For us, it's easy to see the clear path for what's best financially. But this is more than just a business transaction for our home buyers. This is an emotional transaction. And when we empower them to be in control and to choose their loan that fits their life the best, not just what we think fits them best, it's a stickier relationship. They shop less, and you're more likely to see that client through, close a loan, and get more referrals. So as mortgage professionals, our job is to just narrow down great choices, present them the pluses and minuses, and let them choose which option they want. Now, Chris got lucky because Cindy came back to him. But let's all take the luck out of sales. Go through that process, empower our clients, and let them choose which door they want for their loan every time.